Hi my sweet children, today we are going to learn to multiply numbers with a series of same digits. Please revise the lesson multiplication with series of ones as this lesson is a continuation of it. For example, if you take 2104 times 222, in the second number 222, all digits are same. So, you can take 222 as 2 times 111. So, 2104 times 222 becomes 2104 times 2 times 111. That is 4208 times 111. We learned how to multiply a number with a series of ones. Here in the units place, it is 8. Then add last two digits, 0 plus 8 equals 8. Now add last three digits, 2 plus 0 plus 8 is 10. Put 0 there and 1 you carry over. Now add the group of next three digits, that is 4 plus 2 plus 0, and that is 6 plus 1 carry over is there, so you have 7. Now group of 3 digits over. Remember that multiplier 111 has 3 digits, and so you have to add the group of maximum 3 digits. Now add first 2 digits, that is we get 4 plus 2 equals 6, and finally consider the first digit. So your answer will be 467088. Now let us consider a real life activity. A contractor undertook a work and appointed 3231 workers to work for 33 days. How many days it will take if there is only one worker? 3231 times 33, right? So that is, multiply 3 to 3231 and it becomes 9693 times 11. Now you know how to multiply a number with a series of ones. The last digit is 3 here. Then add 9 plus 3, 12, 2 there and 1 carry over. 6 plus 9 again 15, plus 1 is there, so 16, 6 there, 1 carry over. Again 9 plus 6, 15, plus 1 is there, so 16, 1, 6 there and 1 carry over. Then you have a 9 there, plus 1 is there, so 10. So your final answer is 106623. Now let us do one more example. One mobile phone cost $444. What is the cost of 222 mobile phones? You have to multiply 444 and 222. Either you can take this 4 from 444 or you can take 2 from 222. Here we can take 444 times 2 times 111. Okay, so that your answer becomes 888 times 111. How to multiply a number with a series of ones? You know that the last digit 8, then add the pair 8 plus 8 16, 6 there and 1 carry over. Then there are 3 digits in the multiplier, so take the group of 3 numbers. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24, plus 1 is there, so 5 there and 2 carry over. Then 3 digits, all group of 3 digits over, so take 2 digits group, that is 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 2 is there, so 18, 8 there and 1 carry over. Then last digit, it is 8 plus 1 is there, so 9. So your final answer is 98568. Now you have some practice questions. Practice these questions and send me the answer using the code P008. Please remember, you can practice any number of questions by your own. The more you practice, the more you will become confident. Thank you so much for listening to this class. Bye-bye.